Hello guys, today I will show you a new program that will activate your IDM. Uh, this program is the Internet Download Manager 6.4 patch by Ali Debug. So as you can see, if you press this is its interface. So these are the authors of the program. So disclaimer, I am not the creator of this program. So as you can see, there's a crack, there's a close and update. In this button here, if you press this, there's an open IDM, disable IDM, restore crack, IDM utility, IDM tools, and exit. So the IDM tools, this is a separate program in which if you click this, it will redirect to a website and it will show you how to download this kind of program, backup and booster. So these are the command line arguments. Ledger 1, okay, change log. This is its change log. So as you can see, there are improvements before its creation. So this program uh, will remove the pop-up of the IDM. So if you have activated the IDM and then it is still there is a pop-up that you must register it, this program will do the trick. Uh, thank you for watching. Uh, this is just for now. Subscribe, like, and share if you like this video.